So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to index backlinks in Google Search Console. So firstly, log into Google Search Console and select your website. From the left menu, click URL Inspection. Now copy the URL of the page you want Google to index and paste it into the inspection bar at the top. Press enter, and Google will check the URL. If the page isn't indexed yet, click Request Indexing. Google will then add the URL to its crawl-in queue. Google may take some time to crawl and index the page because indexing isn't guaranteed, so make sure the page is accessible and doesn't have a non-index tag. And that's it. Now you know how to manually submit a URL to Google for indexing for multiple pages. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.